At Shea, we've always been involved in iconic projects. Shea built the footings and the abutments for the Golden Gate Bridge. I remember talking to my dad and uncles about the weight of that responsibility and about the pride of the accomplishment. We take that same care into our home building operations as well.
Shea Homes, founded in 1968, has built more than 100,000 homes for families across the country and continues the legacy of caring and quality started by the family's first generation. Over the past several years, our company has been recognized as a leader in customer satisfaction with a reputation for excellence in design, quality, and customer service. Quality construction and service is a core focus here. Our purpose is to enhance people's lives, and our construction and service processes have been created to help make this journey home simple and easy. Shea Homes designed Touchpoints into the construction process to help keep our buyers informed of the progress. We feel it's important to have a dedicated team on site at each of our communities to coordinate construction of our homes. Our teams conduct a series of walkthroughs during the construction process, such as before drywall installation and a customer walkthrough. We believe conducting these multiple checkpoints helps ensure the home's quality meets our standards. Our homeowners tell us so often that the team of people at Shea Homes who work with them throughout the construction process provided an experience that exceeded their expectations and showed our dedication to caring for each family's journey to their new home. The customer care team schedules 3 appointments with you at approximately 1 month, 5 months, and 11 months from the home closing date. If by chance something does not perform properly, our communities have an entire on-site team that can help you with the repair process. Quality and craftsmanship of your home is important to us. For this reason, we believe choosing a quality home builder you can trust is critical for your confidence and peace of mind. And we believe that our on-site teams, as well as the processes we have put in place for construction and customer service, provide this foundation. We wish you luck in your new home purchase, and we hope you decide to join the Shea Homes family.